Okay, so this is 2 weeks after a lumbar fusion, L5/S1, with a spondylolisthesis where the bone had moved forward and we readjusted it and put the screws to stabilize it. So tell me first, any pain in your leg now, shooting down the leg like you had before?
It's different. It's a tightness round in the knee.
Just a bit of tightness. But what about that pain that was going down before
no,
that?
It's a different pain.
Different pain.
I don't seem to have that pain anymore.
Yeah. And
it's a little bit sore in there, but I mean, it was really agony to walk.
yes. Oh, you were in agony, but you're standing completely straight now.
Well, I'm trying to stand.
Oh, much straighter. How about sideways? Can I see you standing sideways? That is superb. Considering this is only 2 weeks after that operation.